Jamie Dimon gives his thoughts on the downgrading of U.S. debt, which every other major analyst seems to agree with.
It doesn't really matter that much. The markets decide. It's not the rating agencies who make these big decisions. Number two, they point out some issues which we all knew about our debt ceiling crisis and things like that. But number three, most important, the American public, this is the most prosperous nation on the planet. It's still the most prosperous nation on the planet. It's the most secure nation on the planet. And I would point out to the rating agency, I could, that there are a bunch of countries rated higher than us, like AAA, but they live under the American enterprise military system. To have them be AAA and not America is kind of ridiculous.
These are countries like Canada and others.
Yes.
In terms of the actual decision making behind the downgrade, it had a lot to do with political brinksmanship surrounding the debt ceiling debacle, the deficit itself. I mean, do you agree with any of those?
Look, those are issues. This is the most prosperous nation on the planet, North America. We have the Atlantic and the Pacific, the best military, the best economy the world's ever seen, the most innovation. The credit is sound. It should be the highest rated credit in the world. And yes, there are issues about, they're being raised publicly. I agree with that. We should get rid of the debt ceiling.
We should get rid of the debt ceiling.
We should get rid of it. It's used by both parties, and it's always used in a way that makes it very difficult. We need certainty in the world, and we should have more of it.
I personally think that this downgrade was needed as U.S. politicians create unnecessary problems and should give them a wake-up call. Comment below what you think.